I'm James Spann. This is the morning edition of the Weather Xtreme video for Friday the 13th. Yeah, getting set to cruise into a weekend. Rain chances going up. That's a good thing. Let's take a look at some of the Skycam images this morning. First off, coming from Opelika, Alabama, down in Lee County. The sky mostly cloudy, but not much rain happening at this point. Up in Jasper, that's the Skycam at the Walker County Courthouse. The high there yesterday was 102. Ouch. And way down south, that's the Skycam on the Alabama Gulf Coast, as seen from the Phoenix All Suites. Well, there's the big picture, the water vapor satellite shot with the contours at 500 millibars on top of that. And, of course, the westerlies are up north. That's nothing shocking. This is August. The tropical low is inland over South Mississippi. You can still see that flare of convection near Lake Pontchartrain. Boy, look at the highs yesterday. Goodness gracious. That's pretty tough. But look out there in Southern California. Look at the cool air. It's one of the coolest summers ever in Los Angeles and San Diego. That is a sign of the La Nina, the cool Pacific water beginning to kick in. But we can't buy a cool day around here. Huntsville yesterday hit 103. In fact, Birmingham's official high was 102. For many spots in our state, that was the hottest day so far this summer. And I think that will be the peak of it. Sure, we'll have plenty of hot days ahead, but I think we're on the downhill side. Convective outlook today, slight risk up north. Here's tomorrow. QPF chart, numbers are coming up, and that's a good thing for a parched section of the nation. The bullseye, 8 inches just south of Mobile. But the amounts of rain here run from about 1.5 inches in the Tennessee Valley down to 6 inches on the Alabama Gulf Coast. Is this tropical low is just going to sit around here and meander for a while. Here's the tropics, and things are pretty quiet out there. No organized systems. And again, the tropical low is inland here in the southeast United States. Let's look at the GFS and see how it handles that. This is today at 1 o'clock. The OZ run valid at 500 millibars. Ridging is still there. We'll be up in the mid-90s today, but again, that'll be 7 degrees below yesterday if that's right. We're forecasting 94 today. And down below that, there should be an increase in moisture, so we'll begin to see an increase in scattered showers and storms later today. We actually had some good ones out there yesterday. Bear Creek up in Marion County had over 1.5 inches of rain. Parts of Winston and Marion and Franklin counties were soaked last night, and hopefully many more will be today. But really tomorrow, I think, is the day you'll notice the change with a pretty good chance of showers and storms. Highs dropping back into the low 90s. In fact, the NAM is printing 89 for Birmingham tomorrow. Same thing on Sunday. The tropical low just sits here. Deep moisture, scattered to numerous showers and storms. Is it going to rain continuously? Absolutely not. And the rainfall distribution each day will be uneven, but if you count the rain that falls over 3 days, today, tomorrow, Sunday, most folks ought to get 1 inch or so. And some could see a lot more than that. There's Monday. The heat bubble is beginning to be squeezed back off to the west, and look at that. The GFS wants to develop that low and deepen that thing near the Gulf Coast at Pensacola. What if that got back in the ocean and redeveloped into a tropical depression? Not totally out of the question, but again, we're just looking for rain, and that's great. There's Tuesday. It kind of drifts back over toward New Orleans. Wednesday, it drifts north. You can see how it's just doing a loop down there. And Thursday, we've still got the moisture around, and a week from today, still soupy with a broad surface low near Anniston. So for a state that needs rain, the map looks awfully good for the next 7 days. We'll check the end of the forecast, August 28th, almost getting into September. Troughing over the east with a ridge out west and down below that, stall front to the north, and again, soupy air. Interesting to note, no sign of any tropical issues out there. But again, I wouldn't be shocked if we had some. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video here by 3:30 or so today. And if you're local to us, we invite you to watch us on television this evening, ABC 3340 in Birmingham at 5, 6, and 10. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.